So, well, guys, this is the director and founder of Cosmos English Academy. In this session, guys, we are doing the practice of to be and to have. Means, guys, where to use the informatic sentences. Yeah, guys, the main reason to conduct that activity is we are conducting that activity in front of that camera. The motto of conducting such activity, we have to check the body language and we have to check the gesture and posture. How they speak in front of camera means, guys, how to use broken to spoken English. We are working on that batch since last month. From last month I'm working on that batch, and I have provided him such a things like PBL method, cow method, and GTM method. With the help of that method, we are doing well practice. Means today we are going to start the GTM practice. Means grammar translation methods. Where to use that grammar translation method and how to use that grammar translation method, and what is the benefit of that grammar translation method. Means, guys, whenever you have to elaborate your thoughts regarding any information in the world, whatever you can see, okay, you have to elaborate the points regarding that. What in information, there are two types of information. First is information in formal way and informal way. Then there are two types of possession. Means you have to show the reality, real facts, then descriptive manner, informatics manner. So each and every type of such sentences, otherwise such tenses, there are three times. First is past, present, future, and with the help of am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, and have, has, had, shall have, will have, we have to do the practice. First, we are doing the practice of to be stable and to have stable. So one by one, I will ask to students the table of to be and to have. They will elaborate the to be's and to have table, means the helping verb table. And after that, we are going to start the era of PBL method, means practice based learning. There is a will, there is a way. Means if you have a strong desire and they are all the hunger about learning English language, means learning to how to communicate in English language. Yeah, guys, how to speak with the use of, otherwise without use of grammar. So we are just trying such activities in front of that camera, and that activity will beneficial, that activity will play a pivotal role in students, in people's life. So guys, are you ready, guys? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's start. Who will elaborate the first? Who want to elaborate the to be stable? First, give your introduction. Sit.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Krishna Rajiv Rashinde. I study in class 7. Today I am here to say the to be formula. I am, I was, I shall be. We are, we, where we will be. You are, you, where you will be. He is, he was, he will be. She is, she is, she was, she will be. It is, it was, it will be. They are, they were, they will be.
Now you have to tell the table of to have. Okay, elaborate. Regarding possession. Okay, to have.
I have, I had, I shall have. We have, we had, we shall have. You have, you will, you have, you had, you will have. He has, he had, he will have. She had, she will have. It had, it has, it had, it will have. They have, they had, they will have.
Give a big hands for Krishna. Good, Krishna. Now next, Tejas. Here is Tejas. Tejas, let's elaborate the to be stable and to have stable. Yeah, first you have to give your introduction.
Good morning, everybody. Myself Tejas Kailas Surde. I am from Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have an elder brother. So I am also doing Cosmos English Academy. And in Cosmos English Academy, Ajay sir give us a word to speak about to be and to have stable. So I am going to speak first to be stable. I am, I was, I shall be. We are, we were, we will be. He, you are, you were, you will be. He is, he was, he will be. She is, she was, she will be. It is, it was, it will be. And they are, they were, they will be.
I am, I was, I shall be. We are, we were, we will be. You are, you were, you will be. He is, he was, he will be. She is, she was, she will be. It is, it was, it will be. They are, they were, they will be.
Good. Now you have to elaborate the to have stable.
I have, I had, I shall have. We had, we have. We had, we will have. You had, you have, you had, you will have. He has, he had, he will have. She has, she had, she will have. It has, it had, it will have. They have, they had, they will have.
Good. Give a big hands for Rushikesh.
And I was, I shall be. We are, we were, we will be. You are, you were, you will be. He is, he was, he will be. She was, she will be. It is, it was, it will be. They
This session we have to do the practice of how to prepare the sentence. Yeah, with the help of single fill in the blanks, means I have provided that student to fill in the blanks. With the help of the fill in the blanks, we have to prepare 18 sentences. 18 plus 18, 36 sentences. Means to these 18 sentences, present 6, after that past 6 and future 6. If we count the present, past, future, that time we will get the 18 sentences regarding to be and 18 sentences regarding to have. Means in informatics manner 18 sentences, and with possession manner there are 18 sentences. When there are 36 sentences, we are going to do the practice in this session. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
No. Now you have to give the first. We will do the practice of to have, means I have. So I am giving you a word. I have dream. Okay, what dream? So who will elaborate? I have dream in Marathi and in English also. Who will? माझ्याकडे स्वप्न आहे.
I have dream.
आमच्याकडे स्वप्न आहे.
We have dream.
आमच्याकडे स्वप्न होतं.
We had dream.
We had dream. आमच्याकडे स्वप्न असेल.
I shall have dream.
ते झालं आमच्याकडे.
आमच्याकडे.
Sir,
चलो, माझ्याकडे सायकल आहे.
I have cycle.
ती सायकल आहे.
It is cycle.
ओके, चल लेट इट बी. कृष्णा, माझ्याकडे स्वप्न आहे
I have dream.
आणि ते स्वप्न आहे.
ते स्वप्न आहे.
हम्म,
हा, ते स्वप्न आहे.
हम्म.
It will have a dream.
ओके, नेक्स्ट. चलो, माझ्याकडे प्लॅन्स आहेत.
माझ्याकडे प्लॅन्स आहेत.
हम्म.
I have plans.
तो मुलगा आहे.
Yeah, he has boy.
ही इज बॉय. व्हॉट? ही इज बॉय.
Teacher.
ते झाड आहे. इट इज प्लॅन. आपण विद्यार्थी आहोत.
We are students.
तेथे विद्यार्थी आहेत.
We are
There is student. Good. Give a big hand for all of you. Chalo, elaborate. I have dream in 18 minutes. Chalo, let's see.
I have dream. We have dream. You have dream. He has dream. She has dream. It has dream. And they have dream.
Good.
In
In past,
In
right
past,
now, yeah. Elaborate.
I had dream. We had dream. You had dream. He had dream. She had dream. It had dream. And they had dream.
In future,
I shall have dream. We shall have dream. You will have dream. He will have dream. She will have dream. It will have dream. And they will have dream.
good. Give a big hand for Tejas. Great, beta. Proud of you. Chalo, next. I have bicycle.
I have bicycle.
We have bicycle.
We have bicycle.
You-
have bicycle. He has bicycle. She has bicycle. It has bicycle. They have bicycle.
Now in past.
I
Be
had,
fast. Be fast. In
I
past.
had
Chalo.
bicycle. We had bicycle. You had bicycle. He had bicycle. She had bicycle. It had bicycle. They had bicycle.
In future.
I shall have bicycle. We shall have bicycle. You will have bicycle. He will have bicycle. She will have bicycle. It will have bicycle. They will have bicycle.
Good.
Laptop. We have laptop. You have laptop. He has laptop. She has laptop. It has laptop. They have laptop. Now,
In past.
in past, I had laptop. We had laptop. You had laptop. He had laptop. She had laptop. It had laptop. They had laptop.
Good. Now in future, elaborate the points.
I shall have laptop. We shall have laptop. You will have laptop. He will have laptop. She will have laptop. It will have laptop. They will have laptop.
Good.
You have house. He has house. She has house. It has house. They have house. Past.
Okay, now past.
I had house. We had house. You had house. He had house. She had house. It had house. They had house. In future,
Yeah, speak.
I shall have house. We shall have house. You will have house. He will have house. She will have house. It will have house. They will have house.
Give a big hands for Harish. Good.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Chalo, we will meet in next episode. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Sayonara. Goodbye. Take care.
Jai Gurudev.